Guys, what's up, it's a girl Kissy Unstoppable, and today guys I'm gonna show you guys how I cook my shrimp curry fried rice. Yes, I said shrimp curry fried rice. Yes, so guys, I want to stay tuned. And remember, if you don't like none of my video yet, wanna wait for you like my video, subscribe to my video them now, so me I gonna make you go over and watch what good they do. Hey guys, as I told you guys, I'm making shrimp fried rice. So there's my shrimp right there. I season up my shrimp with my different seasoning on my shrimp, my seafood season. Yes, and I'm putting away. So guys, right here I have my different seasoning like peppers, onion, garlic, scallion, mixed vegetable, and corn. So this is one I'm gonna put inside my fried rice, but I'm gonna saute them. So right now I have my pan here heated. I put some olive oil in my pan right there. Not too much guys, just a little drizzle, over the pan, if you know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna put my shrimp in right now, and you know shrimp not really take long to cook. You have to just wait until you see it get up a little pink color, you know, because if you cook shrimp too long it will taste too rubbery, and you don't want to eat your food and a bite shrimp and it tastes like rubber. You understand what I say? You understand, right, my son? So right there, look at my shrimp, them man, juicy and nice, guys. Me see them shrimp are juicy and nice. You see? And when you taste the garlic and the season and everything, just it just suck up the nice sweet sauce right there. So yes, look at my shrimp. So now you can see the shrimp is cooked. So I'm gonna turn off the stove and I'm gonna put it aside. So right now I get my pan and I'm gonna drizzle a little olive oil again in the pan. So this is the pan that I'm gonna do the fried rice in. So I drizzle the oil in my pan right there. I'm gonna burn my curry. It's important that you burn the curry, guys. I don't know, some people don't burn their curry, but I always burn my curry. So right there I'm gonna saute my seasoning. I'm gonna put in some of the peppers, the onions, and the garlic, and I'm gonna saute, and then the rest of the onions and the sweet pepper that left over I'm gonna put it after to have that little crunchiness, if you know what me talk. So right there I'm sauteing my season inside my curry. And remember guys, I burn my curry. I don't know about you guys, but some people don't burn their curry, but I always burn my curry. So I'm sauteing my season right there, guys. If you were in the kitchen and to smell that sweet aroma, oh my god, guys, remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Put on the post notifications so you know each time good upload our video them. So right there, so now I'm gonna add in my corn. So I'm using the corn from the tin, guys. Yeah, I'm using the tin corn. So right there I'm mixing in my corn inside the curry, the burnt curry and the seasoning. So I'm gonna put some mixed vegetable. This is the mixed vegetable from the can. I didn't have the frozen one. I rather to use the frozen one. I don't like the one in the can because I think the one in the can is too soft, but I didn't have any frozen, so I end up having to use the one in the can. So I'm mixing all my ingredients together to get everything even with the curry and everything right there. So yes, so I'm gonna add in my shrimp right now. My shrimp is well cooked, as you can see guys. The shrimp is well juicy and nice right there. So yeah, the shrimp them big too, you see. Shrimp expensive doing that. Yeah. So guys, right there now, after I put in my shrimp, I'm gonna add in my rice, and I cook my rice. Some people cook their rice like leftover rice. I didn't have any leftover rice, so I cook my rice in the morning and put it down to settle. So now you guys, you see that I had my rice in and everything combines together. You can see the color, everything is beautiful and nice. I didn't put any egg in it guys because I didn't really want an egg in it because I'm not really a fan of egg. So look at that color guys. Look at that curry shrimp fried rice. Look at that, look at the colors, look at the peppers, look at everything just blending together. Yeah, right there. So look at that. So guys, that's how I prepare my shrimp curry fried rice. Look at that, beautiful guys. On a scale from 1 to 10, tell me how much you rate me. Comment down below in the comment section. Not just watch a video now, just comment down in the comment section. Let me know so now watch the video. And guys, if you try this one at home, please tag your girl in it. Until next time, goodie is out.